In this video, we will take a quick look at the keypad and the standard mode of the AS3 drive. There are three main modes on the AS3 keypad: standard mode, setting mode, and monitor mode. The simplest way to switch between modes is pressing the escape key. Each mode can also be accessed via the functions key. The touch wheel is used to scroll up or down. Scrolling can be accomplished by a continuous motion in the clockwise or counterclockwise direction, or in individual steps by lightly pressing the touch wheel just above or just below the OK key. The OK key should be pressed to select highlighted items and to save parameters after they have been changed. Standard mode displays the output frequency in the main window by default. The top row from left to right indicates the AS3 direction of rotation, operation status, frequency command value, and time.